Welcome to BTMsoft. In this tutorial, we will show you how to set up your email account so you can send emails directly from your app. Click Settings, Users. Each user must set up their own email details. Find yourself and click on the row to edit. Select Email tab. You should get CC email and BCC addresses will be added to each email sent out using your details. This is your footer. It will be added to each email. You can test your settings clicking here. This will send an email to yourself. Click Save and you're done.